Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the GeekBench Mark 6 on the Oneplus Nord 3 after the recent unboxing of this device. So this is a day one after the unboxing. I'm going to do the first time of GeekBench Mark 6 test in this Oneplus Nord 3, and now let's find out regarding the overall benchmark scores, what you actually expect in this Oneplus Nord 3 device. So that's what I'm going to describe in this video, and this is a GeekBench Mark 6 test application. Right now let's do the GeekBench Mark test, and now I am not using any kind of high performance mode. Without using any high performance mode, let's do the test in this device. So right now, as you can see, friends, this is a single core and the multi-core test results in this Oneplus Nord 3 device. So with the Dimensity 9000 processor on the day one without using any high performance mode. So next time I'll try to use the high performance mode, and then I'll try to do the test, and we'll try to compare before and after what's happening regarding the high performance mode of the GeekBench Mark 6 test results. Until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates, and bye.